for the first part of my time at Columbia, was a history student. That's why I wanted to go to Columbia, was to study history, and I was really excited by the history department. But just, a lot of the professors that I had enjoyed hearing, in this big kind of lecture setting, were not professors that you really had an opportunity to work with closely. And my first reaction to that, after, not even knowing if I was majoring in something, I felt like I was a history major, but I didn't even know what that meant. I didn't really have any meaningful contact with anybody. I didn't have a lot of close, until the end, or until I became a Yiddish major, really, I didn't have a close relationship with a lot of professors at Columbia. I was really doing a lot of, I was soaking up stuff, but it wasn't a two-way street. And then I found out through a friend of mine, through Hannah Poland, who has volunteered and worked at the book center in the past, and who I was friends with through Columbia, that Jeremy Dauber, a professor at Columbia, was interested in recruiting the two of us, to reconstitute this Yiddish special major, this Yiddish studies major that had existed prior to, just I think in the post-war period, when Weinreich taught at Columbia. And so I was studying Yiddish poets, these Yiddish modernist poets, Reuven Eisland and Zisha Landau, for my senior thesis, and it was a really exciting experience. It was one of the things that I took away from Columbia that I still have from my time there. There's a lot of things there that I don't. That experience kind of blew just like water off my duck's back as soon as I left. I don't feel a lot of connection to the school, but it gave me a lot, and I have this permanent physical memory of working on this senior thesis because it really I just had terrible typing habits, and so it really screwed up my back and my arms from all that typing, and I worked so hard on that towards the end. Now I'm still paying for it with what's called thoracic outlet syndrome. But
Thank you, Columbia.
Yeah, right. But it's a permanent memory of this very intense intellectual experience that I had, and it's what I think in a lot of ways salvaged my time there.